Of the three clips you just watched, can you guess which one was made by a camera and which one by AI? Take a second. Got your guess? Well, here's the twist. All three were made by AI. That's right. These aren't real camera shots. They're generated by OpenAI's brand new model, Sora 2, and today, I'll show you how it works, how to get access, and how creators are already using it to make mind-blowing videos. Sora 2 is the next generation video model from OpenAI, and honestly, it's a huge step forward in AI video generation. While most AI tools create short, silent clips, Sora 2 can generate videos with motion, physics, and even audio all in one go. Think of it like this: you write a description, and Sora 2 turns it into a cinematic, realistic video, complete with dialogue, ambient sound, and perfect camera movement. The results look so real that you'd have to look twice to know it's AI. That's why people are calling it the Hollywood engine of artificial intelligence. So what actually makes Sora 2 special compared to other AI video tools like Runway or Pika Labs? Number 1. Physical accuracy. Sora doesn't just generate visuals, it understands cause and effect. If you show a snowmobile speeding through snow, the powder actually moves, leaves a trail, and the snow reacts naturally to motion. Number 2. Scene consistency. It can handle multiple shots in one video, keeping the same character, lighting, and mood across scenes, something earlier models struggled with. And number 3. Real sound. Sora 2 doesn't just give you a silent clip, it generates dialogue, sound effects, and background ambience all together, making your scene feel alive. Basically, Sora 2 feels less like an AI generator and more like a full movie production studio. Now, before you rush to try it, here's something super important. Sora 2 isn't public yet. Access is currently limited to invited creators and researchers, mostly in the US and Canada. That's where scammers come in. Right now, fake websites and Telegram groups are selling Sora 2 invite codes, and they're all fake. Please don't fall for it. OpenAI does not sell invitation codes. If someone asks you for money for a Sora invite, that's your red flag. The only safe way to get access is through OpenAI's official channels. Follow their verified Twitter, X, join their waitlist, or connect through communities that share legitimate invites. And here's a pro tip. Sora 2 invites come with 4 free slots, so when you do get in, you can share access safely with 4 other creators. No DMs, no payments, just community sharing. If you're outside the US or Canada, you'll need a VPN set to those regions before activating your invite. Otherwise, your code might not work. Stay safe and always double-check official sources before entering any login or payment details. Once you're in, the interface feels surprisingly simple, almost like a social app. You've got a feed full of community creations, great for inspiration, your profile with your own videos and drafts, and of course the prompt bar where all the magic happens. You type what you want, for example, a cinematic shot of a skateboarder jumping over a puddle at sunset with slow-motion water splashes and ambient city sounds. And within seconds, Sora generates a full video, visuals, motion, and sound, all in one pass. You can review it, make edits, or remix it. Change one detail at a time, like adjusting the lighting, adding a sound effect, or stabilizing the camera. Here's where most people go wrong. They write too short or vague prompts. To get the best results, think like a director, not a text typist. Sora understands structure, so break your prompt into 4 parts. Action. What happens? Camera. How do we see it? Close-up, drone shot, handheld sound. What do we hear? Music, ambience, dialogue. Emotion. What's the mood? Peaceful, intense, mysterious. Let's take a few examples. A single drop of rain hits a puddle in a neon-lit street. Macro lens, slow motion. City ambiance with light footsteps. Story scene. A lonely robot sits on a cliff at sunset, watching an overgrown city below. Gentle wind and distant birds. See how these prompts describe action, lighting, and sound together. That's the secret to getting cinematic, realistic outputs from Sora. Now, Sora 2 is incredibly advanced, but it's not perfect. Crowded scenes, chaotic camera moves, or fast transitions can still break realism. If your output looks weird, don't rewrite everything. Just remix one part at a time. If lip sync is off, fix the voiceover. If the motion is shaky, ask for mild stabilization. Small tweaks usually lead to big improvements. One last thing, Sora 2 includes watermarks and metadata in every export to track authenticity. Don't try to remove them. And please don't use faces or likenesses of real people without permission. That can get your account suspended. AI video is powerful, but it's also sensitive. Use it responsibly and we'll all benefit from a safer creative ecosystem. So that's your full guide to Sora 2 by OpenAI, the tool that's changing how videos are made forever. We're entering an era where anyone can become a filmmaker just by describing a scene. But the real question is, how will we use it? Will it empower creators or flood the internet with deep fakes? I'd love to hear what you think. Is Sora 2 the future of filmmaking or a risky experiment? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the 99 Reviews community for more deep dives into AI tools that shape the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.